purpose of battery is to start engine and supplies electrical current to operate the starting motor and ignition system while starting the engine. It also acts as a voltage stabilizer by supplying current for the light, radio and other electrical accessories when the alternator is not handling the load. The battery is an electrochemical device. It uses chemicals to produce electricity. The chemicals in it are spongy lead, lead oxide, and sulfuric acid. These three substances can react chemically to produce a flow of current. The sulfuric acid is mixed with water to form the electrolyte. This is the liquid in a battery. The electrolyte is about 60% water and 40% sulfuric acid in a fully charged battery. As the results discharge, the electrolyte loses sulfuric acid and become mostly water. Looks for sign of electrolyte leakage, crack in the cage or top, missing vent cap. Check for looses, terminals and leakage electrolyte. Over tightening the hold down clamps may crack the battery case. In maintenance battery, remove the vent cap, check the electrolyte level and add distilled water if needed.